Here's how you clear the search history and the cache for your Instagram account. The reason you want to do this is if Instagram is recommending you stuff you don't like or don't want to see, you can clear your search history and then it will reset and try to find new stuff that you're going to like. That's why you clear the search history. The reason you clear the cache is to gain some more space on your phone. And who doesn't love that? So let's start with the first one. Let's clear the search history. Tap on this hamburger icon on the top right, or stack lines or whatever you want to call it. My fat finger can't seem to hit it. There we go. Tap in the search bar and search for the word search. Just make sure you spell it properly. There you go. Search history is what mine's called. Might be called something different on yours, just depending on the version of your phone, the version of your app, what have you. So I have my Facebook account and my Instagram account linked. I can tap into either one of these and see the search history, not on Facebook. But then if there is search history, you can delete each thing individually, or to make your life way easier, just tap on clear all searches at the bottom. You can choose last hour, yesterday, or all time. I'll choose all time, and then tap on clear searches. Clearing searches, and now they're cleared. And now Instagram will start recommending new stuff, and then based on what we choose, it'll give us recommendations, hopefully tailored to what we like. Let's press done and get out of here. And the next thing we want to do is to clear the cache for Instagram. We go to settings and we don't search, but we go on the main settings page here. We go to the general tab and then tap on iPhone storage. Then we want to find Instagram on this list. There's Instagram right there. So before we do anything, we want to make a mental note of the app size and the documents and data size, or maybe you want to write them down. It's up to you. But then we want to offload the app and then reinstall it and see if these have changed. Usually this app size does not change because it's the app files, but documents and data can be reduced. That's where your savings will happen. And if it's not changed by much or not changed at all, you can also just try deleting the app and then reinstalling it from the App Store. And that should definitely reduce whatever that number is if you use this app regularly. And it's not going to affect any of your settings, especially for Instagram, because it's a cloud-based platform. So all your settings will be in your cloud-based account, which you can access from any device. And if that doesn't have a lot of savings as far as space goes, you can try deleting the app and reinstalling it from the App Store. Hope this video helps you. If it does, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video right here, which shows you how to empty the trash bin on your iPhone, which will save you even more space or gain you even more space. So check that out and I'll see you there.